Well, should our highest court add more justices? That is something House Republicans are pushing back against tonight in Washington, D.C. Pushing, that is, to pass legislation to keep the number of Supreme Court justices at what it currently is. Our Washington, D.C. correspondent Rachel Knapp has that story.
We need to keep the 9.
That's the phrase House Republicans are using in reference to the 9 Supreme Court justices. They're looking to pass a constitutional amendment to keep the number of justices where it's currently at.
Small enough to allow them to be deliberative and large enough for them to be able to represent some diversity of views.
Following last year's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, which protected abortion access nationally, many, mostly Democrats, advocated to add more justices to our highest court. It was even the focus of some protests following the Roe decision.
Expand the Supreme Court!
Those in favor of expansion argue 9 justices made sense when there were only 9 circuits. But now that we have 13 circuit courts, some Democrats argue there should be a total of 13 justices. Currently, the majority of justices were nominated by Republican presidents and who tend to lean more conservatively. Those in favor of adding more to the highest court say it will restore balance. But those who want to keep the court at just 9 justices accuse Democrats of trying to pack the court.
In Washington, D.C., we weaponize everything. One thing that still has some semblance of independence from the ups and downs of daily politics is the federal judiciary.
Only Congress can change the number of Supreme Court justices, which they have done for a couple of times in the past. However, the Supreme Court has had 9 justices since the late 1860s. At the Supreme Court, Rachel Knapp reporting.